Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you to cancel a Canva subscription. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright guys, go ahead and open up your Canva app on your PC, laptop or even mobile device. And then from here, if you're on your mobile, try and find settings or click into user profile. But on PC or laptop, click on your profile and then click into settings. And then from here you got options on the left hand side. So where it says under personal, click into billing and plans. And now you'll see where your payment methods for your Canva subscription is. And then under that you got subscriptions for your team personal. So I'm using a trial for Canva Pro at the moment. It's ending at 28th of March 2024. But if you're not using the trial and it actually is Canva Pro subscription, it's the same thing. So what you want to do is click on the three dots next to it and then click on cancel plan. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. Then click on continue cancellation and then click the reason why. I'm going to click on other, continue the cancellation. You can give them a description why you want to cancel, but if not, you can just click on cancel subscription if you can't be bothered writing that in. And if you got any time left on your subscription too, it will say here how much longer you've got left to run until your pro subscription runs out. So in my case, I've got the 28th of March, so I can still use Canva Pro for another 12 more days, even in a trial. So yeah, that's it guys for this quick tutorial how to cancel your Canva subscription. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this tutorial and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.